In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly connect Instagram to Google Drive, making your workflow easier and far more efficient. If you want to automatically save your Instagram photos, videos, or other content straight into Google Drive without doing anything manually, this step-by-step tutorial will walk you through the entire process using Zapier. Let's get started. Begin by heading to the Zapier homepage. Zapier is a powerful automation tool that connects different apps and services so you can save time and eliminate repetitive tasks. Once you're on the website, look toward the top of the page and click Create. This is where you'll begin setting up a new automation. Also known as a Zap. After clicking Create, you'll see the option labeled Zaps. Click on it and Zapier will take you into the Zap editor, which is where all the setup happens. Inside the Copilot message box, type Connect Google Drive and Instagram. Zapier will then generate helpful suggestions and outline a basic workflow for you. When the option appears, click Add All Steps to Zap. This automatically builds the core structure of your Instagram to Drive automation. Now it's time to choose a trigger event. The trigger is the action inside Instagram that starts your workflow. You can choose something like a new photo upload or a new video upload. This tells Zapier exactly when to begin transferring your content to Google Drive. Next, sign in to your Instagram account. This authorizes Zapier to access the necessary data. The process is completely secure and only allows Zapier to perform the actions you approve. Once you've connected your account, click Test so Zapier can verify everything is working correctly. If you're using Instagram for business, make sure to select that account type during setup. Matching the correct type ensures your data syncs properly and avoids any connection issues. With your trigger complete, move on to the action step. Select Google Drive and choose an action event such as upload file. This tells Zapier what it should do each time your Instagram trigger fires. When prompted, sign into your Google Drive account to allow Zapier access. After connecting, run another quick test to make sure everything is functioning smoothly. Once both Instagram and Google Drive are linked and tested, all that's left is to turn on the automation. Click Publish to activate your Zap. From this point forward, anytime your chosen Instagram trigger occurs, Zapier will automatically upload your content to Google Drive without any manual steps required from you. And that's it. You've successfully connected Instagram to Google Drive using Zapier. This simple automation helps keep your files organized, saves valuable time, and ensures that all your important content is safely backed up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.